Hello, let's solve this WAEC question together. This is combination of simultaneous equation, or those is linear equation. So let's solve it together. It's a WAEC question. So in solving this in your exam, you don't need to waste your time. What you will do here is, in any problem you have, you need a solution to that. So what you will do is write out the simultaneous equation out. This is equation 1. Then we have 3y is equal to 5. So I will teach you the method that you have never been taught in your school life. So here is, you don't need to be stressing yourself with simultaneous elimination and substitution method. What you will do here, we call it crossing sign. So we want to eliminate, we want to find x first. So what we will do is x will be equal to, there is one, the coefficient of y here is 1, is crossing to multiply this, that will give us 5. Draw this line, minus, and this is crossing this side too, that will give us 1 minus, 1 times 1, that is 1. And then this one, 3 times 1 is what? 3. Then this one, 1 times 1, that will give us what? Sorry, 3 times 1, that will give us 3. And with this, x is equal to 5 minus 3 is 2, all over 1 minus 3 is minus 2. And then x is equal to minus 1. Okay, so now let's put the value of x in equation 1. You can put it in any of the equation, but let's put it in equation 1. So in equation 1, from equation 1, we have that x plus y is equal to 1. So where I see x, I put minus 1. So plus y is equal to 1. So taking this minus sign to the other side, that is collecting like things. We have that y is equal to what? 1 plus 1. Y will be equal to what? 2. So now the question says we should find this. So that is x squared plus 4xy plus 3y squared. So what you will do now, where you see x, put minus 1 squared plus 4 times minus, let's just put bracket. Bracket means multiplication, minus what? 1. Then 2, because for y, then plus 3, bracket open, for y is 2. So here minus 1 square is 1. So 4 times minus 1, let's 4 times minus 1 is minus 4 times 4. 4 times minus 1 is minus 4 times 2, that will give us minus 8, right? So 2 squared is 4 times 3, that will give us 12. And this is the same thing. 1 minus 8 is minus 7. Minus 7 plus 12, that is, let's write it, plus 12. This will give us uh, 5 as our answer. So if you understand, please turn on the notification bell and subscribe to my channel so you can follow more of this. Thank you.